Okay, this is number 6. It's pretty long. Basically, we have to simplify each of these to see which one simplifies to 2m squared. So let's start. So when we have a negative exponent, it can flip to the other side. So this one can flip to the bottom and that one can flip to the top and become positive. So 2 to the positive 3 is on the top and 2 to the positive 4 is on the bottom. And then I'm going to write these as fraction exponents. So m to the 11 thirds and m to the 5 thirds. Then when we go to simplify it a little bit more, 2 times 2 times 2 over 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 will just leave us with a single 2 on the bottom. The other way to think about that is 2 to the 3 minus 4 will be 2 to the negative 1, which means it's 2 on the bottom. And this is also going to be subtraction, so the top minus the bottom. 11 thirds minus 5 thirds will be the new exponent on m. So 11 minus 5 is 6, so that'll be m to the 6 thirds over 2, which is m to the 2 over 2, which is not a match for this one. So let's go on and try b. So the first step is we need to kind of distribute this exponent. You can only do that if there's multiplication in there. So this is 2 to the 1 power. We're going to do 2 to the 1 times 4, which is 2 to the 4th. M to the 1/5 times 4. You can do that in your head, or you can do it writing it out first. And then 8 is still hanging out, and m to the 3/10 is still hanging out. So 2 to the 4th is 16. M to the 1/5 times 4 over 1 is m to the 4 over 5. Multiply top to top and bottom to bottom. M to the 3/10 is still on the bottom. And then let's go ahead and simplify. So 16 over 8 is 2. And then m to the 4/5 minus 3/10. So we're going to need like a common denominator in here. That'll become 2m to the 8/10 minus 3/10. So 4/5 times 2 times 2 is 8/10. And that's 2m to the 5/10, which is 2m to the 1/2, not 2m squared. So this is, again, not our answer. Whoops. And so let's try C. I'm going to change all of these fraction roots to fractions. So it'll be 6 times 2 to the 1/3 m to the 7 thirds over, I'm going to keep this one in the cubed root, the 54, because that can actually simplify. And then we'll have m to the 1/3. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify this. So things that multiply to 54 are 2 and 27, 3 and 9, and 3 and 3. So since it's cubed root, we need to pull out a trio. So that's going to change to a 3 on the outside and then a 2 stuck on the inside of the cubed root. So 6 times 2 to the 1/3, m to the 7 thirds, over the 3 comes on the outside, the 2's still stuck on the inside, and we have m to the 1/3. So 6 and 3 can simplify. 2 to the 1/3 and the cubed root of 2 are actually the same exact thing, so those ones can simplify. And 6 and 3 simplify to 2. So m to the 7 thirds minus 1/3 to simplify this, which is 2m to the 6 thirds, which is 2m squared. So that's our answer. You want to check D just to make sure, especially if you have time. D, if you do it out, will end up being all of this stuff moves to the top. So 32 to the 1/5 m to the 2/3 to the positive 3. And so let's go ahead and multiply that exponent in. So 32 to the 3/5 m to the 2/3 times 3, which is 6/3, which is 2. And that's the 5th root of 32 to the third, and then m squared is next to it. And you can actually simplify this one out by doing, well, it's 32 times 32 times 32, and each of the 32s is going to break down into 2 and 16, 2 and 8, 2 and 4, and 2 and 2. And since it's a fifth root, you need to pull out groups of 5. So 32 is 2 to the fifth. This 32 is going to be another 2 to the fifth. There's going to be a whole bunch of 2's there, and that 32 will be another 2 to the fifth. And so you can actually pull out 2, 2, and 2, and there's going to be nothing left. So it'll be 2 times 2 times 2. M squared is still hanging out, but that's not 2m squared, that's 8m squared, so it's not D. So overall, 6 is C.